How to enable live chat on YouTube live stream. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to enable live chat for YouTube live stream. So now let's get started. I'm currently in the back end of the YouTube live stream and I'll guide you through the process of engaging with your viewers through live chat. First of all, you have to click on the edit button in the top right corner of the screen. You will see various features, but you may notice that some settings are not immediately visible. And here you will see two edit settings, that is details and customization. In the details section, you can enter your title, your description, and choose a broadcast type for your stream. You can also set the visibility to either public, unlisted, or private. You can also add a thumbnail, upload it from your computer, add it to any playlist on your YouTube, set the audience, and you can go through a lot more options. Now, below the details section, you will find the option of customization. Simply tap on it. This is where you need to actually focus on if you want to enable live chat. In the top of the screen, there is the option of live chat and live chat replay. Check this box of live chat. Once you've done that, you also have the choice to allow the live chat to replay later. So check this box over here and then click on save. And that's it. You've successfully enabled live chat for your YouTube live stream. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.